Hi, I'm Michelle O'Donnell. I'm an archer here at Fort Lauderdale Archers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to make a flat bow. First, select the piece of wood that you wish to make your flat bow out of. This is a recurve bow. The wood was selected, it was then laminated together. Once it's laminated together, it is placed on a bandsaw to get its rough shape. Once the shape is desired, you then get your knife and you begin to whittle away for the proper hand and also for the proper rest. Once that is done, you then get your sanding and you begin to sand it so you get a nice smooth finish. There are many different types of bows. We have here a hunting bow. This is a compound bow, hunting compound. It is shot with pins and it has a rest. We also have target bows. And the difference here is that you're shooting with a scope. It is more precise than the hunting bow, also with the rest. Then we also have another target bow with more stabilization on it. So once after the bow is shot, there's a little reverberation. This has been Michelle O'Donnell with Fort Lauderdale Archers.